Upon Philip's invitation, Alexander finally returned. The men demonstrated their unity in the best interests of their kingdom. King Philip didn't suspect an assassin among his guests.
Behold, father and son reunited.
Father and son were reunited, but not everyone seemed to approve of the reconciliation.
Father.
The king was killed by his own bodyguard.
Father! Someone help him!
But it was too late for the sovereign. He died at the age of 46.
King Philip is dead. Long live King Alexander!
The way to the throne was open. Alexander took over without hesitation.
Long live King Alexander!
Long live King Alexander!
Alexander and his mother were suspected of being instigators. Both had a motive, especially Olympias. She felt humiliated by Philip's new wife, and she desperately wanted Alexander to be king. Philip's murder was never solved.